Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your app will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other password from those settings. If you wish to do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. You can pick a website, or click on Select App and simply tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email, or phone number. Type in password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're done, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!